everyone, welcome back to my channel Tanishi's World. So today I'm going to make strawberry cake. So for this we need strawberry crush. I'm using this one. We'll add baking soda to the strawberry crush. Now we'll mix it. Add baking powder. Oil, and white flour. So now I am adding some more white flour and we'll mix it well. Now we will transfer this mixture into a baking mold. So now I have transferred it. Now we have transferred it and we are going to keep it in the oven. And heat the oven on 180 degrees for 10 minutes. So now we'll bake it for 30 minutes. So our delicious cake is ready. It took almost 50 minutes to bake in the oven. From this stick you can check. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.